Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel for another update on what's going on in the garage here. I had the Honda Z50 build underway. It's been all stripped down and I'm at the point now where I'm ready to start disassembling and rebuilding the engine. But before I do that, as I was doing the engine for my daughter's PW50, I found it a little bit challenging to get the engine in the right position on the table here to slide the gears in without falling out and all that. So I want to build a stand to get this engine up and allow me to pull the casings off, pull the head, the sleeve, the cylinder off, get the piston taken off, and then get parts all cleaned up in the blast cabinet and start reassembling without having to fumble around with the engine flopping this way or that way. And then once it's built, hold it in the right position there to allow me to bolt the frame on. Mount the forks, wheels, and all that so that it sits nicely on the table without the need for the kickstand down or any of that, and just to make it look like a nice showpiece that it hopefully will be when it's finished. So anyways, I got some basic 1-inch square tubing, angle iron, and I'm about to start chopping that up and TIG welding a little stand together to get on with the engine rebuild. Anyways, let's see how it turns out. 4 1/4 inches. And I'm using 3-inch wide flat bar, which is a little wider than I need, but give me about a 1/2 inch extra material there. All right, so we have the bolt spacing here, 88 millimeters center to center this way, 44 center to center that way. Let's center out our plate here and measure off that way and that way, get our 4 holes drilled. So as you can see here, I finished off fabricating the stand. Turned out a little different than what I had in mind. I didn't really have any plans, but I just sort of had an idea. This is going to be a simple 8 shape with the post coming up and mounting onto the bottom where the foot pegs would go. But I had this little stainless tray here that I bought to catch any oil drippings, and I thought I'd try to incorporate that into the stand. So what I've done is I've built a little box instead, built a little bridge over top, and post off of that. I'm quite happy with the results, with the design of it. Only change I would do for the next time is I didn't think I'd have quite enough of the 1-inch square tubing, and I had extra of the 1-inch angle, so I put the angle across the bottom there, not thinking about the rigidity of it, and it holds it, but a little bit wobbly there. So we'll see once we get the bike all done, built on top, how balanced that is. If it's quite balanced in the center of gravity, then it might not be too bad. If it's more heavy on the front end, which I'm thinking it will be because of the forks and that handlebars, I'm thinking that's going to put a lot of stress on that. So what I might do is take another piece of angle iron and just cage that in to make a square, or chop it out and put a longer piece of square tubing in. Something to keep in mind for the next one I build, if I build more. So anyways, that's done. Just need to get it blasted or cleaned up, and then attempt to use this new powder coating system down here to make it look nice and pretty. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned, and I'll carry on with this Honda Z50 build here.